This was closed for like over a year, wasn't it, this ride? So it just opened back up again, which is nice. After a little bit of a refurb.
Sunken treasure, real sea creatures, and to discover the lost city of Atlantis. Our adventure.
Back to base, can you hear me?
Loud and clear. Go ahead.
Awesome. Hi, new recruits. Everyone is welcome to join the mission, even the youngest of streamers. There's lots to see amongst the beautiful corals and magnificent sea creatures. It's almost
Where do you go?
Yeah, go, Zach, quick.
That's it, go down and go left. That's it. That's it, go around. You sitting there.
God, look at that stingray. That's massive.
Your guide on
There,
today's
you can see
mission.
under the water.
Take a seat with your fellow recruits and let's see what we discover. Thanks for joining us on our mission today. There's incredible fish, sea creatures, and treasure out here in the deep. We're going to have a whale of a time. Over and out. Hold on to your bricks, recruits. We're ready to dive.
That's awesome.
We are now in the coral cave.
Hey, recruits! Check out all of the colorful corals around you. Fun fact, coral reefs form the home for hundreds or even thousands of sea creatures, all living together. Reefs are home to 1/4 of all marine life. In fact, corals are sea creatures too, called polyps. They're usually found in these kind of tropical waters.
Oh yeah, look, Legoland, Lego Diver.
Whoa! Our systems are showing we're right on track to find Atlantis. We're off to a flying fish start.
They're going a long way, those stones.
Do they?
Yeah.
Is that more fish?
So, put your head in there.
Fish! Look!
Oh, that's like sharks.
Descending deeper now. And welcome to the deep sea. Ah, some more of our dive team are out here looking for Atlantis. Lost treasures in the ocean and spotting super cool sea creatures. The water is full of life and Atlantic treasure.
Oh, there he is, I see.
Keep an eye open for lurking sharks and dinosaurs.
Don't forget about the cow-nosed stingrays. They're pretty cool too. They swim in groups and use their wings to kick up the sand and find hidden food.
Brace yourselves, explorers.
What's that? Loose.
We're approaching Atlantis.
Fish right there, look.
Yeah!
Look at this, look at this fish. It's huge.
It's a massive fish.
Whoa! That was amazing!
Did you spot our divers out there working hard on detecting all the sea life in the deep sea? Awesome job, team!
Let's go right over there.
Congratulations, explorers! Our mission to discover Atlantis whoa! Make sure to stop by our care facility as you exit HQ and learn about the creatures up close with our dive team and marine experts. We are now back at the surface, team. Time to collect your belongings and disembark.
It's funny how he's hanging out in the station area, isn't it, the stingray?
Yeah,
I think he was meant to come through here, they probably can't.
see the other submarine there.
cool, Zach, wasn't it?
It wasn't as loud as well, which is good.
Nowhere near as loud, that's nice. You did alright there, Zach. He was a bit worried because it was very, very loud 81 years ago. Let's go. Zaki, can you see me? Wave. That's awesome, Zach.
These ones are poisonous.
You touched one like the fire that. Do this thing.
Together. These will where the party features loud music, flashing lights, and some smoke.
Go on, go and lick it. Lick it. Maybe it's like a smell that they put out.
Go stop there, Zach.
Featuring the most spectacular party track ever. There is no greater party in town.
There is no other party in the town.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? There's water spraying out the front.
Let's wave goodbye to everyone and head off on our adventure. I wonder what we'll see today. Cameras at the ready, eyes peeled. Let's go! Now, where did I leave my camera?
Over the barrier. So there's a green light. Oh, that's neat. That's awesome. That's neat. Where's that? We're going through the laser raider queue ride. Look over here, snakes. Tommy got wet.
Please remain seated. You must remain in your own seat while the train is moving.
Yeah, it's taking pictures. Banana boxes.
Oh, yeah.
No, he's taking photos.
Oh, it sprays more water.
Uh-oh, we're gonna get wet, we're gonna get wet.
I think I got the shot. I got it. Oh, I dropped my camera. I was startled by all those lines. And look over there on the left. Can you get me a snap of that awesome motorbike? I'll let you share the trophy.
Oh, is that a motorbike?
Taking a single photo of it. You keep your eyes on it. A bit of extra physical here, a bit there. There you go. That's almost back together. It seems like I'm not the only one having a spot of trouble. Those monkeys are causing mayhem. But they'll make great photos for us.
Oh, what's going on over there? Look.
Duck! If you see one store.
I fixed it. I fixed my camera. We still have so much to see and award-winning photos to take. That Click Brick trophy has my name on it, thanks to you.
Oh, is that full of smoke? Whoa! That's cool.
Well, I like that, Zach.
A picture of Mayor Fleck would surely be an award winner.
Maybe it's on the other side. Oh, there's a spot.
Or perhaps we could take a snap of our divers up ahead. There's just so much choice. Wave to the Coast Guards.
Lovely, aren't they, these figures? Is that wave to the people in the boat?
How cheeky! It looks like someone else is trying to take our photo. And well,
baby elephant.
an elephant. Oh, I totally forgot to take a photo. Okay, I must stay
Baby elephant's cute. Yeah, look.
focused. I made a photography joke. Get it? Do you see the haunted house over on the right? It looks like Lord Vampire's party guests are already arriving. We must be ready for any strange or creepy surprises.
Oh look, Pumpkin Man there.
Now that's something you don't see every day. And did I? Yes, I finally got a photo. Hey!
Wow. Zach,
Oh wow, look at
Venus
this.
flytrap.
It's a Venus flytrap.
What a great way to end our adventure. With all our incredible photos, the
amazing,
Click Brick
Zach.
trophy is surely ours. I can see it now. Our names in lights. Everyone wanting our autograph. Well done, everybody. Thank you so much. I really couldn't have done it without your help. And thank you for travelling today on the Legoland Express.
Please remain seated until the train has reached the station and come to a complete stop.
That's the calming area, isn't it?
Yeah.
You see one.
There's a little figure in